What's in the box?
Hello and welcome again to another episode of What's in the Box, the series where I unpack all the stuff that I buy. And I got this tiny box delivered just now and already cut it open as well. Not to struggle on camera opening it up, but here we go. I managed to make a little hole here. And inside, first of all, I got these what appear to be earrings, I guess. I don't know why they are in the box. I first thought maybe I got the wrong package, but no, the thing that I actually bought is clearly inside, so that's the thing that I bought. Here we go. And it is a Zoom model, apparently in scale 1/64, and this of course is the Ford GT40 of Jackie X and Jackie Oliver, the winners of the Le Mans 1969. Nice. And the box itself looks pretty cool, I think. And the brand Zoom, I've never heard of it before, but apparently it's something Chinese, or well, it's made in China anyways. A lot of models are actually made in China, so it doesn't mean a lot. But let's open up this, well, the plastic around it and have a closer look at the model itself. So yeah, these scale 1/64 models, I've been kind of interested in those lately. And well, this Ford GT40, I couldn't resist buying it. And look at the packaging, really fancy with that display case. Nice backing card as well. And look at the display case, it's a bit dirty actually, so I don't know why. But here is the model, and the base looks really nice. I have to say that texture on it is also very cool. It's a bit of a carbon texture on it. And yeah, the model itself, well, I'll put on the ring light first so we can have a clearer look at it. Change the color, there we go. So yeah, look at that. The base looks really nice with the fancy plaque for GT40 Mark 1. And the texture on the base, as I said, the carbon texture looks really good. The model itself is surprisingly good, I'd say. It's not extremely detailed. I'd rate it comparable to a Mini GT model, so not too bad at all, but not massively detailed either. But since they're the only ones to make this car, it's the only option. But look at that with the little display case, looks kind of fancy actually. So yeah, this was this quick unboxing video of the Zoom model Ford GT40 in scale 1/64. I'd like to thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did, and check out the other content as well on the channel. Subscribe, and in the meantime, take care, and I'll see you again in the next one.